Top 5 Best Portable Workbenches in 2020. Number 5. Goplus Portable Folding Workbench. The Goplus Folding Workbench 11AA is another traditional style portable workbench. It is very inexpensive, which is the best thing it has going for it, though it does have some unique features. It includes a ruler down one side of the table, which is useful for situations where a rough cut is okay and where you don't have easy access to a tape measure. It also comes with 4 bench dogs, and 24 different pre-drilled holes for placing them, which means it's easy to hold the board down, even if it's awkwardly shaped. However, this model suffers from quality control problems. The holes for the bench dogs aren't always properly drilled, meaning they sometimes don't fit or aren't held tightly. It's also not the sturdiest table, even when you're only using lighter tools and wood's on top of it. Unstable workbenches are a pain to deal with and make it easy to make small mistakes that result in the final pieces not fitting together correctly. Given those two problems, this model is likely to be a frustrating one for most people. If you're looking to have a worry-free experience, then you're better off considering a different model. Coming in number 4. BLACK+DECKER WM125 Portable Workbenches. There are good deals, and then there are prices so good it's hard to figure out how you're getting such good value. The BLACK+DECKER WM125 Workmate 125 is a traditionally styled portable workbench with a wooden top and steel frame that will hold up well to most kinds of use and abuse. It weighs less than 20 pounds, so it's one of the best choices on our list in terms of portability. It also folds flat, which makes it easy to transport, but also makes it possible to mount it on the wall when it's not in use, and that means it's easier to store than most models on our list. You can also get it for a fraction of the cost of our first 3 models, which makes it something of a steal. The only downside is that the work surface is a bit on the small side. You're going to use this workbench for holding wood in place while you cut, or for holding small power tools, but with a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, it's not going to have the same maximum potential as other tools in this category. Coming in number 3. Keter Folding Portable Workbench, Best Value. The Keter Folding Workbench 197283 is a great choice for someone who wants a durable table but doesn't want to pay through the nose to get it. It supports up to 1,000 pounds, which makes it one of the sturdiest portable tables on the market. It also folds down into the smallest form of any of our selected models. When folded down, it is about the size of a thin, long suitcase, and it features a carrying handle that makes it reminiscent of such a device. It comes with 2 clamps that make it easy to secure the materials you're working on. But, best of all, it comes at a great price, as it's available for a fraction of what first 2 models on our list cost. While that does lead to some questions about its overall durability, most parts hold up well. The handle is a point of concern, and many customers report that it has failed. Given that it only weighs 30 pounds, that is a problem, but it's one you can overcome if you'd rather save money. While this won't be the right bench for everyone, it's a good choice for those looking for a deal. Coming in number 2. WORX Pegasus Folding Workbench. The WORX Pegasus WX051 is a good choice for someone who wants a table that's similar to the previous model but wants to get something much lighter. This model weighs about 30 pounds, or around 10 pounds less than the previous entry, which makes a big difference while moving it around. Also, like the previous model, it can be used in multiple different configurations, including as a regular table or as a sawhorse. It's also very sturdy, holding up to 300 pounds in table mode, or a whopping 1,000 pounds in its sawhorse configuration. It comes with 2 built-in clamps, and some bench dogs to help you get things tightened. The tabletop is plastic, and if you put too much pressure on the clamps, it can cause the table to warp or shake. That means the clamping won't always be as tight as you'd expect. Whether that's a deal breaker for you depends on how much clamping you plan to do. If a lot, you may want to choose a different model, but if you're looking for something that can support as much weight as our top model, but weighs about 25% less, Check out this model. Coming in number 1. Kreg Folding Portable Workbench, Best Overall. The Kreg KWS 1000 Folding Workbench is a great choice for anyone who wants a durable, portable workbench that can take a beating and keep on going. It comes with features that make it quick and easy to fold down, which means you can move it around the job site or between job sites with little fuss. It also features multiple configurations that allow you to use it as a workbench, a sawhorse, or you can add a second unit and some plywood to create a very large workbench. It also comes with built-in storage trays that allow you to carry hardware with you on the go. Adding to the value are the included clamp and bench dogs, which makes holding wood in place during a cut easy, even if you're working by yourself. The one knock against this model is that it weighs just under 40 pounds, which means it's heavy, and a bit cumbersome while you move it. This is directly related to how well made it is, so it's a clear case where the manufacturer added strength at the expense of weight. If you're looking for a great option, then this is for sure one of the best folding workbenches on the market right now.